Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss hydrogen bonding. Already we discussed about molecular orbital theory and how to do the how to fill the electrons in molecular orbitals and all we have already discussed. So today we are going to discuss about the hydrogen bonding. Okay. So what is hydrogen bond? The hydrogen bond is a type of intermolecular force. We have learned about London force, van der Waals force, and we have learned about dipole-dipole interaction. So this is a special case. Okay, it is the strongest intermolecular force. So what are the conditions in which the hydrogen bonding is existing? So hydrogen must attach with a highly electronegative element. Okay, then only it will undergo hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen must attach with highly electronegative element, which are that element fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay, and the electronegative element must contain a lone pair. These are the two conditions. Let us see the hydrogen bonding in water molecule. In the water molecule, you can see there is hydrogen bonding, and how the hydrogen bonding is. Look at this. Actually, yes. The two condition is satisfied or not, let us see. Hydrogen is attached with highly electronegative element, oxygen is there. Okay. And what is the next condition? And there must be lone pair of electron on the electronegative atom. That is also satisfied here. Okay. So all these are satisfied here. Now, how it is setting a partial positive and negative charge? Because oxygen is highly electronegative, right? So oxygen is highly electronegative, so that it has a tendency to drag the shared pair of electron towards it, so that it will get a negative charge and it will get a positive charge. So it is almost, this hydrogen atom is almost empty because the electron density is or the bond is more towards the oxygen atom, right? So what this oxygen is doing, it is having this lone pair of electron, right? That lone pair of electron, it is giving or sharing with the hydrogen. So it is forming a bond here. This lines indicate hydrogen bond. Okay, this is the hydrogen. So first, oxygen is highly electronegative, so that there will be a charge separation between the hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is highly electronegative, so that it will get a partial negative charge, it will get a partial positive charge. And the lone pair of electron will be sharing with the hydrogen. Okay, the partially positive hydrogen, and it will form a hydrogen bond. It is the strongest intermolecular force. Okay. Now, let us see the next case. If you take two NH3 more, here also the condition is satisfied or not. Let us see. Here also the condition is satisfied because there is an electronegative atom nitrogen attaching with hydrogen, and it has lone pair. Okay. And there is charge separation between nitrogen and hydrogen, and the lone pair is sharing this hydrogen, and we are getting the hydrogen bond here also. Okay. Now let us take mixed case. If you are we can understand whether something is soluble in water or not based on this. If you add ammonia, okay, if you add ammonia to water, it is completely soluble. What is the reason? It can form hydrogen bond with the water. Okay, so that is what showing here. If you are adding ammonia to water, what will happen? It is having a lone pair. There will be a hydrogen bond formation between hydrogen and nitrogen, and it will be completely soluble in water. So if those substance which will form hydrogen bond with water will be readily soluble in water. Okay, so already we discussed about this. And now the hydrogen bond can be defined as the attractive force. Now we can define hydrogen bond. It is the attractive force which bind hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative atom of another molecule. Okay, electronegative atom of another molecule. Okay, so also formation of hydrogen bond we already discussed. Now let us see the type of hydrogen bond. There are two type of hydrogen bond: intermolecular hydrogen bond and intramolecular hydrogen bond. So how can we see? Let us see the difference between intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond means what? In between the intermolecular means in between the molecule, the hydrogen bond is forming. So look here, if you look at the HF molecule, how it is, HF molecules are bonded together by hydrogen bond, okay? Partially electronegative, electropositive, it is having a lone pair, partially electropositive, electronegative, okay? So this is in between the molecules, so that is called a intermolecular hydrogen bond. If in between the molecule there is a hydrogen bond, that is called a intermolecular hydrogen bond, okay? So next, intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond means within the molecule you can see a hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen bond. See here within the molecule, this is within the molecule you have a hydrogen bond. How it is? Look at this oxygen atom on nitro group. This is actually like this. NO2 group and OH group together is there, okay, on the ortho position. So NO2 group has an oxygen atom with a lone pair, okay, this is also electronegative and positive, and so that will be, this is having lone pair, so that will be bonding with the hydrogen atom present in this OH group, okay. So this is called intramolecular. Intramolecular means the hydrogen bond will be forming within the molecule, okay. That's all about hydrogen bonding. Thank you.